This video we have to solve quadratic equations. First, we have to factor this. X squared plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So we just simply have to draw a pair of parentheses. First, we have to factor the x squared. So we have x times x. So the first x will be written here in the first parenthesis. And the second x will be written in the second parenthesis. And then we factor the constant term, the 21. So we have multiple factors of 21, 21 times 1, and we have 7 times 3. So we just simply have to add or subtract these pairs of factors, and the result that gives us 10, which is the numerical coefficient of x, are the right factors. So 21 plus 1, that is 22. It's not 10. 21 minus 1, it's 20. It's not 10. So 21 and 1 are not the right factors. What about 7 and 3? So 7 plus 3, that gives us 10. Exactly, we have 10 here. The result is exactly the same with the numerical coefficient of x. So that means 7 and 3 are the right factors. So we just simply have to write 7 here, plus 7, and then plus 3. So the factors of x squared plus 10x plus 21 are x plus 7 and x plus 3. Now we have to solve for the resulting variable x. So we just simply have to equate each factor to 0. So x plus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve for x. Just simply transpose 7 to the other side. That becomes negative 7. So the first value of x is negative 7. And for the second value of x would be negative 3. So the values of x in this given quadratic equations are negative 7 and negative 3. Now if we want to know whether our answers are correct, so we have to check. So we have to do the checking using the original equation given, x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So we just simply have to substitute the negative 7 in all the x in our equation. Now if the left side of this equation is equal to the right side of this equation, that means our answer is correct. So first we have to use negative 7. Negative 7 squared plus 10 times negative 7 plus 21 is equal or may not be 0. Negative 7 squared, that is positive 49, minus 10 times negative 7, that is negative 70, plus 21 is equal or may not be 0. Simplify further, so we have 49 plus 21, that is equal to 70, minus 70 is equal or may not be 0. 70 minus 70, that is 0. 0 is equal to 0. So that means our answer is correct, since the left side of this equation is equal to the right side of the equation as we substitute the negative 7 on the x. Now what about the second value of x, which is x is equal to negative 3? Same process we have to take, so we have to replace all x by negative 3. So we have our negative 3 squared plus 10x, or 10 times negative 3, plus 21 is equal to 0. So we're not certain yet whether the left side is equal to 0. So we simplify further. Negative 3 squared, that is 9. 10 times negative 3, that is negative 30. Plus 21 is equal or may not be 0. Then we have to add 9 and 21. That would be 30. Minus 30 is equal or may not be 0. 30 minus 30, that is 0, is equal to 0. That means the value of x, which is negative 3, it satisfies the given equation. Then all these values of x, the negative 7 and negative 3, are the solution to the given quadratic equation x squared plus 10x plus 21. Thank you for watching.